In 2024, I learned a lot about the ups and downs of selling on Redbubble. With 891 designs uploaded, I had a big hopes for passive income. But the reality of earnings and the challenges with the platform taught me more than I expected. Let me walk you through what happened. When I started selling on Redbubble, it was a dream. The platform made it easy to upload designs and place them on a multiple products like stickers, mugs, t-shirts, and even pillows. It felt amazing to see my work turned into items people could buy and use. So I went all in. Over time, I uploaded 891 designs to my main Redbubble shop. I stopped uploading in January 2024 to focus on Etsy, but the shop remained active. I always take a look only on a monthly earnings on Redbubble as an extra income that doesn't have an impact on me. But when I have recently watched a video from Ryan Hogue where he is talking about how much he made on Redbubble with last year with insane 50,000 uploaded designs, I decided to take a look on my earnings for the year 2024. So, in 2024, my Redbubble shop earned $472, including $18 from early January 2025. That's roughly $1.29 per day. Sounds okay, right? Here's the problem. After deducting fees introduced by Redbubble in 2023, my earnings shrunk to $192. This amount is before taxes. Honestly, making under $200 for an entire year's worth of designs doesn't seem worth it, especially when you consider the time spending creating and uploading nearly 900 designs. Redbubble introduced seller's fee in 2023, which upset many small creators. These fees reduce our already slim margins, making it harder to justify the effort. For someone like me who's passionate about art, this felt like a slap in the face. Redbubble was once a supportive space for creators, but in 2024, the platform seems to favor its bottom line over the people who bring the designs that keep it alive. I found much better success on Etsy even with fewer designs. With just 257 designs there, I earned more in 1 month than I did on Redbubble all year. Why? It's simple. Etsy allows you to set prices, control shipping, and connect with the buyers directly. This approach feels more personal and rewarding. Etsy isn't perfect. It has its own challenges, like listing fees and managing customer service, but compared to Redbubble, the potential for growth and income is much higher. I don't have high hopes for Redbubble in 2025. Their stock performance is shaky, and their new policies seems disconnected from creators' needs. Still, I haven't taken down my designs because a little extra income is still better than nothing. My Redbubble shop can still pay for the occasionally nice dinner. If you are an artist or designer, this insight might help you decide where to invest your time and energy. Remember to adapt, explore new platforms, and find what works best for you. So, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will do my best to reply to you.